Hey, welcome back to Cool Kids Art, and let's draw another pickaxe, and this time it's gonna be the Peely pick. So let's get started with a quick sketch, and then I'll show you line by line on how you can draw this. Alright, so let's draw this, and to begin we're gonna start out right in the middle of the banana. So we're just gonna draw in just two straight lines like this first, and this is gonna be the width of the banana. Okay, so from there we're gonna draw in the back side first. So right here we're gonna curve. So this is probably the trickiest part to draw in these kind of curves. So this is gonna taper here. So on the bottom we're just gonna curve all the way in and then close this off. And then on the very tip we'll just draw a little rectangle like that first. Okay, and then from here we're gonna draw one straight line. This is actually gonna be part of the wrapping on the banana. And then from here in the corner right here, we're just gonna draw in two bumps. Just come in toward the middle, and then one more going to the back, to the bottom. All right, and then once you have this, I'm gonna continue with this curve. Just kind of keep going out, and this is going to be part of the banana skin peeling off. So just curve it out like this. And then same thing on this side. Just kind of continue with this curve. And then now let's draw the other side of it. So we're just going to come in right here. Just draw like a little curve like this first going out. And then now we're going to follow the curve and just kind of taper in as well. Come to right around here and just close it off. Okay, so it's a little bit strange because it's peeling off. So this part's a little bit tricky as well. So we're gonna start here. Just curve down. And now we just follow the curve. Just close it off. Taper it in. Alright, and let's finish up the strap right here so that this line doesn't look so strange. So right here, I'm just gonna draw two lines going this way. So that's one strap. And then the other strap right here is gonna go behind it. So we just stop right there. Okay, so now it makes a little bit more sense. So now the easier part here, we're gonna draw the inside of the banana. So here's the edge. We're gonna come in slightly right here because it's gonna be a little bit smaller. So we'll curve slightly up. And then on the bottom as well, so here's the edge. I'm gonna come in a little bit more, slightly smaller. We're just gonna curve and just taper in a little bit, not too much. And then whatever you have here, just kind of round it off. And that's gonna give us the banana shape. All right, so now let's add in some detail, especially right here. I'm just gonna draw one center line. So start right here. Just kind of follow the same curve all the way down. And even on the tip right here. And then on the inside of the banana, we can draw in just a few lines as well. One here, and then maybe a shorter one down here. And then we'll draw in some lines going this way. Alright, so now let's draw in the handle, and this one's gonna be straight down. So we're gonna start right around here. This is gonna be the middle of the banana. Just gonna come down, just come down about here first. And then right here, here's the width of the handle. And if you have any space, you can just draw a little line. If not, that's fine. Because sometimes it could be behind this banana peel. So just draw in two like that first, and then we'll extend those two lines. So I'm gonna keep going down. Make it a little bit smaller on the bottom. And then lastly, just kind of flare out and then close it off. Okay, and then it looks like some kind of banana peel kind of leaves wrapped around. So I'm just gonna draw a curve like this, and then let's go the other side. So just kind of zigzag, just kind of have it overlap a little bit. Doesn't have to be exactly like this. As long as you have some of these lines, it should look fine. Okay, curve, and here's one inside. And that is it for this Peely pick. Hope you guys liked the way it turned out, and if you do, please do give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, and I will see you next time.